Hey guys, in today's tutorial video, we're going to be running you through our NCE Radio, internal and external speakers, how to switch inside to outside in the 2023 versions of the vans. So, we have our dial knob, music up, music down. We have our next, we have our back, to be able to go between stations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are different radio stations. USB over here, you can pop in your own USB. Auxiliary in, you can put data into it obviously as well, or auxiliary out, depending on how you want to hook it up. Portable headphones or whatever it may be that you've got. You've got mode. So mode allows you to change to BT, which is your Bluetooth. It also has auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2, and radio. So just for Bluetooth purposes, if I jump onto my little handheld gonculator here and jump to settings, turn this down, we go onto our Bluetooth, and if we're looking for connectivity, if we go to mode and we go to BT, we're going to have our NCE 251 radio in there that we can then connect to. You would then press that and then it would connect to the radio, assuming I've got the right one. We've got about 50 of these radios hanging around here at the workshop, so it could be the one next door. We have our mode, of course. Our power turns the whole unit off. Goodbye, hello, welcome, welcome. Oh, amazing, so polite. Radio knob, of course, you press this and it will mute the system. Now, the thing that we really care about, our inside-outside speakers. So we need a bit of music. All right. If you hold out, in, it will jump out. If you press it, it comes back in. If you press all of the music will shift inside and outside simultaneously. So it allows for inside, outside, or both. It's completely up to you. The units themselves, I believe, come with a 12-month warranty. They're a fairly okay unit. If you're after a really enhanced sound experience, I would always suggest getting yourself a UE boom or something to that equivalent, a Sony portable speaker, $120, $150. They're fantastic. You can take them to the beach, you bring them in here, your portable lights. Bluetooth-wise, in today's day and age, there's so many variations of Bluetooth. Some of the portable units are fantastic for that, if that's what you're after. For radio itself, on a bushfire warning sequence, something like that, these are fantastic for that. They're going to keep you updated and let you know it's outside aerial that's running through. CDs you can pop in here and you press eject and obviously everything will come out. IR indicator symbolizes that if you're going to shoot it with a remote, you need to be able to see that. So IR is telling you that it can see the radio remote. Most people don't use the radio remotes, but hey, you never know. We hope you've enjoyed this outside tutorial video on your speakers, inside, outside, and your radio itself. Please like and subscribe. Check out the other videos we have available to learn your product in and out, and we'll catch you on the other side. Thanks, guys.